it was really hard to find a camera angle that would actually work because the light, it's like up there and it's like blinding. But anyway, today we are going to be taking off the noise canceling in the hood. It really doesn't matter, it's just weight I don't need because the engine's, I have no mufflers, so it drones. So we're just gonna take it out and make it lighter. It's really simple. Just pull this, and there's adhesive. It's kind of sticky over here, but it's mostly just adhesive. So I'm gonna take it out, and you should just pull it, and then that should be it. If I have any more problems, I'd tell you, but I'm just gonna pull it. This is just a simple video for today, because I couldn't think of anything else. That flipped up in front. Okay, I'm gonna do that, and then take it out, and then tell you if I had any problems, but probably shouldn't. Okay guys, super simple. All I did was pull this off, and we can throw this over here somewhere for airplane, and yep, it's off. So yeah, I guess we saved weight, but it really doesn't matter. That's gonna do it for today's video. Please like, subscribe. Every upload, gonna try to upload something every Monday or Friday. It might not be good, it might just be short like this, or it might be long, but at least we did something to the car. So yeah.